to be showing you two different ways to draw a cat. One is going to be at the start, it's going to be easier, and the second one is going to be harder. This has been interesting, seeing as I can't draw, but I think it worked out alright. So I'll just be doing a running commentary whilst the video plays. Firstly, you're going to want to draw a circle. I just drew around like a mug. Then you're going to want to draw ears. This will just be like rounded triangles. So you'll have curved edges. And then to draw the sort of the edge of the ear, you do the one side of the rounded triangle, but slightly further in. And then in the middle of your cat, you just put two large round circles. Cats obviously have very narrow eyes, which is what allows them to see so well in the dark, because they can expand them out. For the nose, you'll want to do an upside down triangle with rounded edges again. And for the mouth, you just do two U shapes. You can draw a little chin for it, but that's basically it, other than whiskers. Now on to the harder cat. For this, you're going to want to draw a circle again, but this one is going to be more oval shaped. And then below that, you'll want to draw a circle. This will be for the nose. These are just guidelines. So inside of the small circle, you want to draw a smaller circle. This is just sort of to give an example of where the nose will be. And then you draw an upside down Y shape to show where the mouth will be. Draw another chin on it. And then from the nose, draw off two lines at slight angles to give an indicator of where the eyes will go. Two large round eyes. You might want to add eyelashes and tear ducts onto it, though this is just sort of a base plate for the cat face. It's not the finished thing. Next, you're going to want to continue on those lines at a slight angle. This will give you an indicator of where the ears are going to end. And then just like with the easier cat, you're going to want to draw a smaller triangle coming off it to show where the ear curves around. Now, when you draw the actual main face of the cat, you want to make it narrower than the circle that you drew earlier. Also, when you go down to the bottom, you won't curve round with the circle. you instead just carry on to the bottom of the small circle. You can draw a neck coming off it. Obviously, I can imagine you can do much better, because I can't. You can do it as narrow or as wide as you want, because obviously it would depend on what sort of lighting the cat is in. This is just sort of like the iris of the cat. I don't know if that's the right word, but that's what I'll call it. You want to make it oval shaped, but don't complete it at the top, just have it go inside of the eyelash. Now that we've got the base plate for it, we can draw the actual nose. And for this, you're going to want to do a sort of T shape, but with pointed, but in the top left and right it will be pointed, and it curves down, sort of like a pair of underwear. Finish off the head. Now, for me, it looks like a bit of a demon, but that's really because I can't draw. If you draw lines coming off the ears, it will give the picture more depth. And slightly shading the ears, because cats tend to have very fluffy ears. Sort of do, I don't know if it's called cross-hatching, but just small lines coming off it. It makes it seem more hairy. Give the impression of fur. And finally, you want to add the markings of the cat. All cats have different markings, so you can go crazy with yours. I did mine, so they look like the rapper Takeshi 69.